here to talk about gypsum recycling and the business model that we've created around it. IMR produces alternative gypsum from recycled drywall for cement manufacturers who need a low-cost and sustainable input product. We're different than our competitors in that we design waste drywall specifically for cement use. So as you saw earlier, our vision or our mission statement is to change the way North America manufactures cement or the world manufactures cement. And we just think that cement should be made with waste drywall instead of mined and shipped gypsum. So what does exactly that mean? Like, what do exactly we do? Well, we accept or are paid to accept waste drywall at our facility. We reprocess it into a gypsum rock and then sell it to cement companies, displacing far-flung mined gypsum. So we ship our product 12 kilometers. Mined gypsum is shipped 4,000 kilometers. There's a big environmental impact in just manufacturing locally there. But why we exist, why we're able to do what we do, is because we invented or innovated a new market. Previously, waste drywall was only recycled back into waste drywall or back into manufacturing drywall. We've been able to expand the market. And in recycling, those of us in recycling understand that that's always the challenge. It's extremely difficult to find that end market. It's really easy to go out and get 100,000 coffee cups, but it's hard to do something interesting or sustainable or financially viable with 100,000 coffee cups. We are now able to take waste drywall and open up an entirely new market. We're now working with two of the largest cement companies in the world, and we have a financially sustainable as well as an environmentally sustainable business. So current prospects for the business are very good. We have a trajectory of growth, and we're creating jobs in a sustainable industry and opportunities to looking forward. But it's interesting and fun to talk about that, but that's not really where the innovation for us happened, and I don't think where innovation happens for small companies. It happens kind of in the trenches. And what were the initial prospects for us when we were looking at what to do with waste drywall? Asking a cement company to take a bunch of garbage and put it into their $1 million machines and their processes is a difficult ask. And when you're looking at industry and you're asking them to make these steps towards sustainability, there's a culture of no, or there's limited upside for that manager that you're talking to about putting this into their process. The upside for them is a pat on the back from their boss, or maybe a little bit on their bottom line from financial savings. But the downside to them is, you blow up their machines or their product is bad and they lose their job. So finding a partner, in my opinion, is key to innovation. Finding that industry partner who is invested in your success is absolutely crucial to the success of any startup company in building and expanding a new market. And we were lucky enough to find that partner. And one quick story that kind of illustrates how, in my opinion, innovation happens is that 6 months into the process, we're working with this partner, and they run into problems with their product completely unrelated to our product. But I get a phone call and it's, "Sam, we can't take your product anymore." For us as a business, 6 months into it, that's destroying. That's the end of the company. However, because we'd focused on relationships, we'd built the trust, and we'd built they were invested in our success. When I communicated that would mean the end of our company, what happened is we worked with them and were able to actually bring on another partner, and we were able to sign a second supply agreement. So after 3 months, we were actually in a better position. The market was larger. We had now 2 customers, and we were now back shipping to our original partner because there was never any problem with our product in the first place. We just got cut because we were recycling and it was ending up in the product. So that's just a quick story of how you can take a challenge, and if you have that partner who is invested in your success, they will help you expand that market and lead to that success. So 3-4 quick takeaways. Innovation, in my opinion, really starts with proving that a market exists. So, the second largest use of gypsum in the world is cement. So there is a market there. Is it financially viable? Well, you have to take that risk and you have to prove it out. Building and nurturing the relationships so that you're able to bring those partners on board and grow that business and have them invested in your success. And then the last one is just staying resilient through that growth. There's going to be challenges, and you just have to work through those and find the opportunities within those challenges. So look forward to talking with you on the panel. Thank you.